Welsh belongs to us all. The National Centre for Learning Welsh has a national Learn Welsh offer for the education workforce in Wales. The offer is based on the Language Competency Framework for Education Practitioners. This framework maps to the CEFR, the Common European Framework for Languages, and offers a range of learning levels. Our courses for the education workforce have been developed specifically for staff working in schools and are free of charge to the education workforce. We have a range of different types and durations of courses flexible to your needs. From Cymraeg Bob Dydd, a whole school approach to basic Welsh to use everywhere and every day in school, to courses with a focus on particular phases, such as foundation learning for teaching assistants. Courses can be taught in a block, either locally or in a residential setting. And there are self-study courses available with tutor support. We also offer sabbatical learning opportunities. Whatever your dysgu Cymraeg journey, we are here to support you.